Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Solo Earner, and today we have an exciting topic to dive into, the rise of NFTs and how you can make money in this space. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get started. The rise of NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the world by storm. From digital art to virtual real estate, the possibilities seem endless. But what exactly are NFTs, and why are they making headlines? NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on blockchain technology, providing proof of ownership and authenticity. They can represent various forms of digital or real-world items, such as art, music, videos, and even tweets. The ownership and transaction history are securely recorded on the blockchain, making them tamper-proof. Why the hype? NFTs have revolutionized the way we perceive ownership in the digital age. Artists and creators can now directly sell their work to a global audience, and buyers can truly own a piece of digital history. The market has exploded, but how can you tap into this lucrative space? Making money with NFTs. Creating NFTs is a great way to enter the market. Whether you're an artist, musician, or content creator, turning your work into NFTs allows you to monetize your talent directly. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable make it easy to mint and sell your creations. Tips for successful NFT creation. To maximize your success, consider factors like scarcity, uniqueness, and engaging with your community. We'll delve deeper into strategies that can set your NFTs apart and attract buyers. Investing in NFTs. But what if you're not a creator? Fear not. Investing in NFTs is another avenue. We'll explore how to spot promising projects, assess market trends, and build a diversified NFT portfolio. Thank you for joining me today on Solo Earner. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments.